They call him doctor, but the paper come from where? Some small foreign school, nobody know. We call him Dr. Jackie. Dr. Jackie, Dr. Jackie. Praise for higher, mouth for sin. Today you sing for power, tomorrow you change the day. ABCD, go back and learn alphabet. You don't understand English, make your wife explain for you. Dr. Jackie, Dr. Jackie. You dey insult for money, but when the people they suffer, your mouth go keep quiet. You sing for the big men loud and clear, then turn around and support another side. Opportunist number one, whoever pay that one you go follow. Praise singer by profession, no permanent principle, only permanent pocket. You attack fantami with dirty words. Call him names, throw drug stories, even your own side they shame. Say the song no get sense, only insult. Instead of policy, you bring person attack and the whole thing backfire. Free publicity for him. When another artist talk about kidnapping, you jump up and call them crude, but northern children they missing every day. Your big mouth no talk for them. You protect image of government, but forget the people where they cry. Dr. Jackie, Dr. Jackie. Praise for higher, mouth for sin. Today you sing for power, tomorrow you change the daily. ABCD, go back and learn alphabet. You don't understand English, make your wife explain for you. Dr. Jackie, Dr. Jackie. You dey insult for money, but when the people they suffer, your mouth go keep quiet. Now listen well, this one no be ordinary man. Professor Isah fantami, real academic, scholar of knowledge, teacher of many, degree upon degree, not honorary paper. People with this kind of brain they in technology, in learning, in serious work, that kind of skill, the world they pay heavy for it. Yet he still choose to serve his people. He no hide inside comfort. He enter the political field with open eyes. Even when insults they fly, even when dirty songs they come, he still stand to serve. Generous with his time, generous with his knowledge, ready to work for the people, not just for the camera or the money. Oh, my people, open your eyes. Una drop the best among una, the one wey get knowledge and value, and una follow the ones wey keep enslaving una. The same people wey no give una light, no give una school, no give una security, yet una still dey clap for them, while una children they suffer the same. Dr. Jackie, your voice no get weight without payment, but real leaders no need paid singers. Knowledge go outlast noise, character go outlast propaganda. The day the people wake up, all the paid praise go become empty, yeah. History no they forget to sell their voice, and who use their gift to sell. Dr. Jackie, Dr. Jackie. Praise for higher, mouth for sale. Today you sing for power, tomorrow you change the daily. ABCD, go back and learn alphabet. You no understand English, make your wife explain for you. Dr. Jackie, Dr. Jackie. You dey insult for money, but when the people they suffer, your mouth go keep quiet, quiet. Dr. Jackie, keep singing for who pay you. The people already know your price, but the real professor no need fake title. He already get the knowledge and he still choose to serve. We see.
Wannan ita ce ainihin sabuwar wakar babban mawaƙin na wanda ya shahara a faɗin Najeriya, wanda aka fi sani da DAVIDO. Waƙar da ya yi wa Profesa Isah fantami domin Dauda Kahutu ya ƙara gyara zamansa, sannan kuma ya daina taɓa aikin malam. A lokacin da DAVIDO ya ci wannan waƙoƙin ya yi su ne kusan kala 5, amma mun saka muku kaɗan daga cikin wannan waƙar ta DAVIDO. A lokacin da ku ce kuma ku ci gaba da biyo mu a wannan tashar tamu ta Marhaba TV mai albarka. Ku danna mana subscribe da